In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Rainbow Adaptive RSI in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you're on the chart of the asset you want to analyze. This could be a stock, a crypto pair, or any other market you usually trade. Having the chart open is important because we'll be adding the indicator directly onto it. Now, look towards the top of your TradingView interface for the indicators button. Depending on your layout, it's usually near the middle or upper left area, labeled simply as indicators. Go ahead and click that. This opens up the main indicators and strategies window, which is where you'll find all the built-in tools, community scripts, and your favorite custom indicators. Once the indicators window is open, you'll see a search box at the top. This is where you can quickly find any indicator without scrolling through long lists. Click inside that search box so you can start typing. Taking this extra second to use the search bar keeps things efficient, especially if you use a lot of different tools. In the search box, type Rainbow Adaptive RSI. Be sure to spell it correctly so it appears in the results. After a moment, you should see it show up in the list below. When you spot Rainbow Adaptive RSI, simply click on it once. TradingView will automatically add it to your active chart, usually in a separate panel underneath your price candles. You should now see the Rainbow Adaptive RSI plotted with its characteristic multicolored lines that help you visualize momentum and potential overbought or oversold areas. At this point, you can hover over the indicator name on the left side of the panel to access its settings. From there, you can adjust inputs, change colors, or tweak visibility to match your personal trading style. It's a good idea to experiment a little with these settings so the indicator is clear and easy for you to read in real time. If you're using or planning to use TradingView Pro, make sure to check out the affiliate link in the description of this video. Using that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, and it also unlocks the full power of TradingView Pro, including more saved chart layouts, additional indicators per chart, and smoother real-time data, which all work great with tools like Rainbow Adaptive RSI. That's all you need to do. Open your chart, click indicators, use the search box, add Rainbow Adaptive RSI, and customize it to fit your setup.